is the carousel. With our 6G, we actually wear special trousers in the cockpit, which inflate when we fall more than 2G, and that means we have to tense our leg muscles, which constricts the capillaries and stops the blood going to our feet and causing us to black out. So the pilot's working hard now, pulling 6G as they come round the front. Please put your hands together for the synchro pair! Now looking straight ahead to find Enid, who have once again been joined by Reds 8 and 9 for the displays finale. So looking straight ahead, you'll see 7 smokes on pointing straight towards the beach. One rolling as he puts red smoke on. He pitches up now to draw the mathematical symbol for infinity around the rest of the formation. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the infinity break. And you've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red